Hi all, my name is Vinod and I'm going to be talking about ideation. Basically, how can you come up with ideas worth creating a business of, alright? So before we jump onto the discussion, I would really appreciate if you can comment down your thoughts on this topic. So we're going to be talking about two things primarily. First is why exactly you need to ideate. Second, how exactly you can do the same, alright? I hope you guys are excited. So why do we need to ideate in the first place? It is not always about the money or becoming the richest person in the world, all right? So first things first, evolve. Human beings have evolved right from the stone age till this age, and we're going to evolve going forward as well. For example, let us consider 10 years ago, sorry, say 100 years ago, the lifespan of a human being was anywhere between 30 to 40 years. But now it has changed to 70, sometimes 100 years as well. Due to the medical enhancements and technological growth, we are able to achieve this, right? However, we have done a lot more things in multiple sectors, say in the transportation, in the technological sector, and the retail sector, or any sector. We have evolved, right? However, we have not kept in mind about our environment, about the earth, right? So, because of these changes, we have actually ruined our environment. So, you might have heard about climate change, which is actually real, guys. We're affecting our climate, our environment. So, just for an example, we've had a lot of petrol and diesel based cars and vehicles, you could say, which are depleting our ozone layer, right? So, nowadays, since couple of years, there are certain people like Elon Musk who have taken a step and started creating something that would be sustainable as well as that would help the people. So they have come up with an electric vehicle, right? So which would sustain us. It will not affect the climate, and we can have our life in a very easy manner. So whenever you try to come up with a problem, or whenever you try to solve a problem, right? Try to keep these two things in mind. You've got to evolve, that's for sure, but it should be a sustainable growth and it should not affect the environment. So this is something really important that I would want you to take into your mind. All right. Next, how exactly you can come up with these amazing ideas and set up a business, etc., etc. So first things first, what I would suggest is uh, go with your passion. Right. Let me rephrase it. Understand or know what exactly your hobby is. So what do you do in your spare time? Do you cook? Do you play football? Do you play online games, right? Do you like cooking? So let me give you an example. So say for example, if you like cooking, right, you can set up a cloud kitchen, right? If you like baking, you can set up a cloud kitchen or a baking store, right? All you need to do is set up a social media account or set up a website or an application. That's it. That's all that you need, right? Or else, say you love creating or playing video games, right? You can go to Twitch and start creating content, right? If you love talking, right, then you can basically set up a YouTube channel and talk about it. So there are a lot of 8 to 12-year people who are actually millionaires, right? They are basically talking, they're just sharing content. So you need to understand what your hobby is and just monetize it. All right. Second, and it's going to be very important, it's called understanding the problem. So for this thing, you have to have a observation skill. So for example, wherever you live, right, try to talk with people. So first, you can talk to people. Also, you can be self-aware of yourselves. What are the problems that you are facing in your daily lives, right? It might be transportation, it might be as simple as not able to get the right education place as well, right? So you need to understand what is the problem, then try to give a solution to the problem, or try to make it more efficient. right? For example, we had motor vehicles, right? But we were not able to travel between countries. So we developed airplanes, right? So it's always about we understood the problem that we need to shorten the time of the travel. That is the reason we have come up with something very much technologically evolved, right? However, in this phase, you can see most of the problems have been addressed. So how do you still find a problem? So for this, what you can do is target a particular niche. For example, what do I mean by niche? A niche is basically a particular area in a umbrella. All right. So say you are a student, right? So what do? Basically, you study, right? You study. You take the knowledge, right? So you can figure out what exactly is the problem in the education system of India. For example, there is a person who has seen a problem in education system. His name is Byju's. You might have heard of his name, right? So he has seen the problem in the education system. Hence, he has built a product on called Byju's, which solves the problem of education system, right? So, what you need to do is take a niche area and try to find a solution to a particular problem in that area. So that is something that really works out because people have made successful businesses out of it. All right. Apart from these three, you can also analyze the trends. For example, during the COVID-19, you might have seen people going haywire about getting masks, getting sanitizers, etc., etc. Right? So you need to predict the future as well, not just analyze the trends, but predict the future as well, right? So one of my friends, she started a small venture in which she was creating fancy masks, right, which go with your clothes. So you could do that as well, right? And fifth thing that you could do is everyone has a different perspective, right? So whenever you have an idea, you should go and talk to other people as well. All right. For example, you might be a fresher, you might be someone who's very new. You can go and talk to someone who has say 10 years of experience in the corporate world or who's an entrepreneur, right? And this, the kind of thought process that he would have would be different than you. He would be able to give you a different perspective on your idea, right? So it is really important to take a feedback from other people as well. Not everyone, but the right person. All right. Fifth, you might have helping the corporates basically. So there are already a lot of companies set up which are huge. So I'll tell you the problem with these companies. So they are so huge that they cannot do minor changes. For example, if you talk about Nike, Nike is a retail brand, right? They don't want to have a software team because their business revolves around the retail products, right? So whenever they have a problem, for example, they have a problem in the billing system. What can they do? They don't have a software team to build the billing system. So what exactly they do is they outsource that particular project to a different company. You can be that company and solve that problem, right? So like this, you can understand what are the problems the corporates are facing. So there are HR, there is finance, there is IT. All these functions have a lot of problems. Trust me. That is the reason TCS, Wipro, these big companies are existing. Just because other corporate product-based companies have problems. So you need to figure out what exactly these people have. You can talk to your parents or you can talk to the corporate employees and try to understand the problem and give a solution. All right. So pretty much if you do all this, you would be able to find the right idea and set up a business around it. All right. So concluding it, you have to be an idea machine. You have to be creative. Think out of the box as well. Not just creating and coming with an idea, but a validation of the idea is really important as well. Is that idea gonna sustain and be in the market? That is something you need to think about. We're gonna be talking about it maybe in the next presentation. Until then, thank you so much. This is Vinod from Metamorph.